friends, welcome to System of Rules. Today we are going to discuss section 1 to section 5 of the Indian Penal Code. Section 1 states about the title and extent of operation of the code. According to Section 1 of the Indian Penal Code, this act shall be called the Indian Penal Code and shall extend to the whole of India except the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Section 2 states about the punishment of offences committed within India. According to Section 2 of Indian Penal Code, every person shall be liable to punishment under this code and not otherwise for every act or omission contrary to the provision thereof of which he shall be guilty within India. Section 3 states about the punishment of offences committed beyond but which by law may be tried within India. According to Section 3 of Indian Penal Code, any person liable by any Indian law to be tried for an offence committed beyond India shall be dealt with according to the provisions of this code for any act committed beyond India in the same manner as if such act has been committed within India. Section 4 states about the extension of code to extra-territorial offences. According to Section 4 of the Indian Penal Code, the provisions of this code apply also to any offences committed by any citizen of India in any place without and beyond India, any person on any ship or aircraft registered in India, wherever it may be. Moving on to Section 5, certain laws not to be affected by this Act. According to Section 5 of the Indian Penal Code, nothing in this Act shall affect the provisions of any Act for punishing mutiny and desertion of officers, soldiers, sailors, or airmen in the service of the Government of India or the provision of any special or local law. Thank you so much for watching. In our next class, we will discuss section 6 to section 10 of the Indian Penal Code.